Lights down, voltage up, pull the pole. Copper coils locked in a steel embrace. AC pulses set the pace. You don't see it, but the pressure's real. Fields collide now, the metal feels. North and south won't stay in line. They chase, they flip, they realign. No fire spark, no gasoline. Just forced aside and to intervene. Feed it volts, it won't stay still. Ideas turn to muscle, will to will.
Turn up over spin, magnetic in. Store to kinetic, now torque on the floor. Out over spin, no flame, no sin. The laws hitting hard, let the motor win.
Rotor trapped in the pressure zone. Fuel says move, iron says shown. Alignment craving equilibrium. Torque explodes, no decision. Bearing smooth like oil on glass. Friction steps back, lets power pass. Shaft transmits the coded sign. Motion exported, space and time. No smoke, no myth, no holy claim. Just imbalance, screaming for change.
Turn up over spin, magnetic in. Store to kinetic, now torque on the floor. Out over spin, steel gives in. Math gets loud, let the motor win.
A changing field is tension. Tension demands motion. Nature doesn't negotiate, it moves. Frame holds steady, fan cools the heat. Efficiency rises when losses retreat.
Hold up over spin,
Heading from silence to roar. Now torque on the floor. How flame, no fuel, just L6 on the floor. Flip the switch. Feels good. Feel the roll. Flip the switch. Listen close. Physics condemn. Copper wrapped tight in a circle of steel. Stator standing still, but the current feels real. AC breathing back and forth. Invisible patterns changing course. You can't see it, but it's there. North and south in a silent stare. Pull and push, align, resist. Order moves when it can't coexist. You feed it voltage, it answers with spin. Electric ideas turn motion within. Spin, spin, the field goes round. Silent math turns into sound. Electromagnetic flow from stored energy to kinetic go. Spin, spin, no fire, no flame. Just laws of nature doing their thing. Rotor caught in the middle zone. Field starts talking, metal says shown. It wants to follow, it wants to align. Torque is born right on time. Bearings whisper easy now. Less resistance shows you how. The shaft takes over, sends it away to fans and wheels that work all day. No smoke, no fuel, no loud explosion. Just balance correcting itself in motion. Spin, the field goes round. Silent math turns into sound. Electromagnetic flow from stored energy to kinetic go. Spin, spin, no fire, no flame. Just laws of nature doing their thing. A changing field is a question. The rotor is the answer. Nature hates imbalance, so it moves to fix it. Frame stays strong, fan keeps it cool. Engineering is patience with rules. Spin, spin, feel the design. From classroom boards to factory lines. Electromagnetic truth on display. This is how energy learns to play. Spin, spin, hear the motor sing. That's the sound of understanding. Flip the switch, and then the switches go. See the trick motor. Open the case, look inside. This is how motion is built. Frame holds strong, keeps everything tight. Conduit box feeds power day and night. Flip the switch, current starts to flow into copper coils where the magic grows. Stator standing still, wrapped in wire. Electric current lights the fire. Not a flame, not heat alone, but a magnetic field being born. AC changes back and forth. The field starts moving. North meets south. Your field turn, rotor feels invisible force becomes real. From electric flow to spinning steel. That's how a motor makes motion feel. Pull Pull and push, align and spin. Energy moves, now work begins. Rotor waits in the center space. Iron core in the field's embrace. Field keeps shifting, won't stay still. Rotor follows, can't resist the will. Shaft is locked to the rotor tight. When rotor turns, it takes the flight. That spin travels end to end. To fans and wheels, the motion is sent. Nature hates imbalance and delays. So motion is the purse it takes. The bills and rotor feels invisible force becomes real. From electric flow to spinning steel. That's how a motor makes motion feel. Pull and push, align and spin.